Hello, this is Sana Parveen here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about covalent bond. It's a very simple topic. Covalent bond is also called as dative bond. Why is it so? We're going to have a discussion. Actually, कुछ logical reason नहीं है. It's just the reason that I've made up. Let us just first look at the definition here. What is the definition trying to tell us? The bond formed between two groups by sharing a pair of electrons provided entirely by one of the combining atoms but shared by both the groups. Okay, so here let us just consider an example. Consider कर लेते हैं पहले एक यहाँ पे दो friends हैं, ठीक है? I will just use a different color so that it is quite clear. ये friend number one जो है, friend 1 and friend second. Friend number 1 has all the money, okay, and friend number 2 is not having money. Both of them went to a hotel. एक दोनों ये होटल में गए खाना खाने के लिए, ठीक है? जब ये दोनों भी होटल में जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, एक के पास मनी है, दूसरे के पास मनी नहीं है, तो पेमेंट कौन करेगा खाने के बाद? देखो खाना दोनों भी खा रहे हैं, लेकिन पेमेंट यहाँ पे कौन करेगा? ये वाला फ्रेंड करेगा पेमेंट, ओके? तो ये दोनों फॉर एग्जांपल डेट पे गए हैं, द नेम ऑफ द बॉन्ड डेट ऑफ बॉन्ड, ये दोनों डेट पे गए हैं, एक ही बिल पेमेंट कर रहा है, दूसरा बिल पेमेंट नहीं कर रहा है, ओके? तो यहाँ पे when you look at the definition here, it is the same thing which they're trying to tell us. The bond formed between two groups. The bond which is formed between two groups by sharing a pair of electrons provided entirely by one of the combining atoms but shared by both the groups. We will consider an example, तो ये हमको ज़्यादा clear हो जाएगा. NH4 बनाने के लिए NH4 का नाम है अमोनियम. Let me just select a pen. Ammonium ion. If I want to form ammonium ion, I'll be needing NH3, okay, and I will be needing H plus. NH3 जो है इसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट है एक्स्ट्रा. ये जो यहाँ पे मैंने दो चीजें बनाई है, this is electron 1, electron 2, so I've got 2 electrons here. ये क्या है? एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. जो भी स्पीशीज के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आता है मतलब इसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन लेस है, they're not having much electron, there is deficiency of electrons in the species that have got a positive charge in it. What happens is this has got extra electron, this is not having electron, the electrons are donated from one species to the next species, and this is a way of representing covalent bond actually. I'm so sorry, coordinate bond actually. तो ये जो bond दिखाया है मैंने, it is called as a dative bond. इसके पास electrons है, इसके पास electrons नहीं है. bond बनाने के लिए दोनों भी electrons कौन donate कर रहा है? ऐसा species जिसके पास extra electrons है. Okay, so dative bond is formed here. Who is donating electron? Ammonia is donating electrons to whom? To H plus ion. When the bond is formed between them, तो बन जाता है यहाँ पे NH4 plus is formed. Let us just take another example. Hydronium ion इसका नाम है, hydronium ion. ओके, हमको यहाँ पे सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है कोऑर्डिनेट में कि there are two people, there are two partners and only one is giving everything. Okay, the other one is not contributing at all, it is just taking and taking and taking. So for the formation of H3O plus we need to have H2O molecule and H plus. अब ये जो water है इसको जरा मैं different style में लिखती हूँ. Okay, I will just write it in a different way. ऑक्सीजन है, हाइड्रोजन है, हाइड्रोजन है. ऑक्सीजन के पास एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट है. एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट है तो ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है किसको डोनेट करने की कोशिश करेगा? ऐसे स्पीशीज को जिसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं है. H प्लस दिखा दिया मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं है यहाँ पे. This when you see an arrow like this you will conclude that it is a coordinate bond. Okay, coordinate bond का दूसरा नाम क्या बताया मैंने? It is also called as dative bond. So another name for this one. We've seen two species. The first one was NH4 plus and the second is H3O plus. Okay, chalo, we'll consider one more example here. Forget about this one now. We have got two species NH3 with extra electrons, and there's another one BF3. So it has less electrons, and this one has more electrons. By this time, you'll be able to predict who's giving electrons to whom. This one to this. So NH3, if they want to stay together, if NH3 and BF3 wants to stay together, the electron should be donated only by one, because this is not having electrons. कोवलेंट में कुछ और होता है, वो भी मैंने वीडियो बनाई. You can go visit my channel, watch that video first, so you will understand a bit clearly यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेट में क्या हो रहा है. बॉन्ड बनेगा, डेटिव बॉन्ड बोलेंगे इसको. डेटिव बॉन्ड, ओनली वन इज डोनेटिंग, और ये दोनों फिर क्या करेंगे, साथ में रह सकते हैं by formation of this bond, that is NH3 and BF3. They're going to stay together with one another. तो ये तीन examples थे coordinate bond के. Lone pair of electron का definition देख लेते हैं. A pair of electrons which is not shared with any other atom. Pair of electrons, ये जो NH3 में जो pair of electrons था यहाँ पे, this is extra. It is not bonded to any other species. Next is H2O. H2O के पास भी क्या है, ये extra electrons है, ये किसी के साथ भी share नहीं कर रहा है, तो इससे कोई ही हम क्या बोलते हैं, lone pair of electrons. And there are two conditions for formation of a coordinate bond. Let us just have a quick look on the two conditions present here. One of the two atoms must have at least one lone pair of electrons, that is NH3 and water. One partner should be there which has got the money. Okay, and how is the other partner? The other partner is not having money. Okay, so we just go back to that one and just try to look at the definition, look at the conditions. So the first condition ये है कि एक के पास तो इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए. दूसरी ये condition है कि another atom should be short of at least one lone pair of electron. The species, for example, H plus here, the species here NH3 H2O. तो ये दोनों conditions होती है हमारे पास. And at the end, we have the definition of coordinate bond. Okay, let us just look at the definition. A coordinate bond is a type of covalent bond. Okay, why are we calling it to be a type of covalent bond? Because sharing हो रही है. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि sharing नहीं हो रही है. Sharing is happening, but where both of the electrons that form the bond originate from the same atom. There's only one atom which is, there's only one atom which is, giving the electrons. एक ही है, यही जो है, यही electrons दे रहा है. एक bond बनाने के लिए how many electrons do we need? We need two electrons. Okay, covalent में कुछ और होता है, एक ये देता है, एक वो इसमें sharing हो रही है. Covalent, you can go watch my video. Okay, just यहाँ पे focus करते हैं. And BF3 जो है, इसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So this one is going to donate the electrons here. Okay, ये डोनेशन से जो बॉन्ड बनेगा वो कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड होगा. Another example, if I consider, यहाँ पे अगर हमने H plus लिख दिया है instead of BF3, so I write here H plus. This is falling short of electron. This has got extra electrons. The electrons are going to be donated here. Okay, और bond बन जाएगा. So this was all about coordinate bond. I hope you've understood the video. If so, then subscribe to my channel and keep visiting my channel, and stay safe, stay at your homes. Corona, because of corona, stay at home, and bye bye, take care. See you in the next video. By that time, take care, bye bye.